Welcome to the Jet City Cleaning app, the easiest way to order cleans. Let's get started. When you tap and open the app, a 14-second video will automatically play. If you don't wish to see it, simply tap the screen and the app will immediately open. For your first time, let's tap on Sign Up. Fill out the fields and please be sure to use the email best for us to reach you. Later on, if you forget your password, you can choose that option from this screen and we'll email you a token for you to reset it. Your 4-digit password can be any combination of 4 letters or numbers. Once signed in, you'll stay signed in until we have an update or you change devices. After signing up, the app opens to its main page. This shows you the side menu. Here you can see the 5 sections within the app: Services, Order History, Emergency Service, Settings, and About. Just tap on a section to open. Under Services, you'll see the categories of the type of work Jet City Cleaning performs. It's here where you tap on a service type to order specific cleans. Order History stores all of your placed orders for 90 days. Emergency Service Now. If you tap on the red lettering, your phone will automatically dial our office during business hours or our emergency line after hours. Settings. Here's where you set up your account, your properties, and your default settings. And lastly, About. You can connect with us via social media, leave a review, or refer us to a friend. This app is available for other vendors, so if you like it, spread the word. Let's go to Settings. Here you'll see the 4 setup areas: My Profile, My Properties, Change Password, and the link to this tutorial. Tap on My Profile. At the top, you'll see a circle with a camera inside. Tap on the circle and take a picture or upload one from your phone. The same picture will also appear at the top of the side menu. Fill out the fields that are appropriate and scroll down to Account Details. Now tap on I manage these properties. Here you can add all the properties you manage. Tap on the building icon at the top and add a property-specific picture. Google Maps will help populate your address. Next, tap Billing Type. Here you can set your default as Charge to Account, Collect on Site, or Bill me personally. Later, on individual orders, you can change your payment options for the one order. It will still keep your default if you choose another payment method outside of Settings. Next, let's tap Notification. This tells us how you'd like to be notified once we've received your order. Scroll through and tap on the desired communication method. You will not see pricing anywhere on the app as you already have an account with Jet City Cleaning. To navigate back to the side menu, tap on the 4 lines at the top left of the screen. This will always take you back to the main menu. Now, let's go to Services. Here is where you choose the work you want done in each unit. Each service section has a list of services we provide under each service type. Tap on any service type to open and scroll through the list. To choose a service, simply tap on the circle and a check mark will appear. Tap on as many services as you like. To add a service from a different service type, simply tap Add More Services on the bottom right. You'll find yourself back at the service type page. Scroll down to the service type you want and repeat the process. And if you look just above the Add Order, Add More Services bar, there's a field for you to leave a note if you need to tell us something. Then, to finish your order, just simply click Add Order, and you're taken to a screen to see all of the services that you've just ordered. Now go to Manage. If you have more than one property, tap the arrow and see the list appear. Choose one, then tap Done. Now tap on the words Enter Unit. Here's where you put in the unit number. Next, tap Add. A page pops up for you to enter the specifics of the unit, like how many bedrooms, time of day for arrival, portable or truck mount. You get the idea. Now tap Save, then tap Select, and you're brought back to the order page for that unit. If you want the exact same services for another unit, tap Duplicate. You can change the property, add a new unit number, and manage the specifics. If you don't need to change any of the specifics, just tap Select. This process can be repeated as many times as needed. If you wish to cancel an order before you've placed it, just hit Delete. Then touch the circle to checkmark the order you want to remove. Tap Change and choose Yes. If you've already placed the order, you will no longer be able to cancel through the app. You'll need to contact our office. All open orders not yet placed, can be found in the shopping cart at the top right. You can still add and delete services until you actually place the order. So let's tap the shopping cart. The screen opens all your open orders you've not sent in yet. If you wish to remove one of the items from within the order, tap Edit. Tap on the circle to the left of the item you wish to remove. A check mark will appear. Tap Remove on the bottom, and poof, it's gone. Check over your order, and if you're ready, place order. To see what your recent orders are, and if we've received it, tap the 4 white lines at the top left to take you back to the main menu. Then tap on Order History. All your orders up to the last 90 days show here. The status of your order shows up on the right. Once we've received it, the order status will change to say Accepted. In the top right corner next to the shopping cart is a little green bell. If you have a number on that bell, that's how many messages you have from us. Just tap on it and read. This will get you started. We hope you love our app. Thank you for using it.